Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in South Carolina, including the benefits, steps to get started, and important requirements to get your business up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. Starting an LLC in South Carolina is definitely a smart move, especially for entrepreneurs who want to protect their personal assets while gaining credibility for their business. An LLC combines the tax benefits of a partnership with the limited liability protection of a corporation. That means your personal assets like your home or car are generally shielded from business liabilities. In this video, we'll be going through 5 crucial steps to set up your South Carolina LLC. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. So now step number 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first thing you need to do is choose a name. This may sound easy, but there are some rules to follow. The name must include limited liability company, LLC, or LLC with the periods. And then the word limited can also be abbreviated as LTD period, and company can be abbreviated as CO period. Make sure that your chosen name is unique and not already taken by another company in South Carolina. You can do a name search on the South Carolina Business Entities Online Database, which is this website right here that you are currently seeing. I'll be leaving a link in the description so that you can go here effortlessly and do your availability name check here. If the name is free, it's also a good idea to secure the domain name for your business website, even if you're not ready to build one yet. Domain names are essential for search engine rankings, so it's worth registering one early. And now step number 2, appoint a registered agent. Next, you need to appoint a registered agent. South Carolina law requires that every LLC has an agent for the service of process, meaning they'll receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. You can be your own registered agent, but there are some downsides. You'll need to be available during business hours, and your personal address will be at public record. To avoid these issues, I recommend using a professional registered service like Northwest Registered Agent. They have been in business for over 20 years, and they will handle all your legal mail for just $39. Plus, they'll provide free registered agent service for a year if you sign up using the link below. And now step 3, file the articles of organization. Once you've chosen a name and appointed a registered agent, it's time to file your articles of organization. This is the document that officially creates your LLC in South Carolina. You can file it online or by mail through the South Carolina Secretary of State's office. The filing fee is $110, and there's an additional $15 fee if you file online. These steps makes your LLC a legal entity, allowing you to operate your business, hire employees, and many more. And now step number 4, create an operating agreement. Although not required by the state, having an LLC operating agreement is highly recommended. This agreement outlines how your LLC will be run and clarifies the roles and responsibilities of each member. If you're the sole owner, it's still a good idea to have one to avoid confusion later. Plus, many banks require an operating agreement when opening a business account. And now finally, step number 5, get an EIN or employer identification number. This number identifies your business for tax purposes and is required if your LLC has multiple members or employees. Even if you're a single member LLC, having an EIN can make things easier, especially when opening a business bank account. Applying for an EIN is free and can be done easily online through the IRS website. And that's it. By following these 5 simple steps, you'll have your South Carolina LLC up and running in no time. If you want to make the process even easier, click the link in the description to form your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent for only $39. They will handle all the hard parts so that you can focus on growing your business. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.